Good morning, everybody. Last day of 2014. Can you believe it? We've got another year. Getting ready for 2015. The volumes are dismal overnight. There's not a lot going on. The European markets, if they weren't closed, the start of the day are closed between 6:30 and 8 o'clock Eastern. So the opportunity is going to be pretty limited today. It's usually a pretty good day to clean off your desk and get ready for 2015. I remember back when I was a broker at a major house, we pretty much came in on 12/31 and thanked our customers for the business that we enjoyed that year and cleaned out our desks for 2014. So my guess is there's not going to be a lot of interest in trading today, and the volumes show that overnight. We got an up bias. That's not going to change. Market is pointed higher. We do have some news. Jobless claims, 286. Be the first piece of news out. The market will react to it, but I don't think they'll pay a lot of attention. Chicago PMI should get more interest, 60.8. Pending home sales, sales at +0.5, and crude inventories plus 200,000 barrels. 1, 2, 3, with Chicago PMI probably the biggest factor today. Apologize for this cough, but I'm still in the grips of, I don't know what you call it, cough, flu, chest cold. Well, I have a mic switch here pretty handy. Okay, first sell is 27 to 31. Second one's 3 to 7. The buy side, 21 to 17. And second one, 9 to 13. May have to move the buys up. Just depends on where we go on that first rotation up. But getting stops above the overnight session high looks reasonable to me right now. Okay, the knob spread widened again overnight. It's holding its gains. It's not backing off. The interest was in 10-year calls and 30-year bond puts. Similar situation, 23.27. I think we're going higher. Sell 1, 31 to 03. Sell 2. On the buy side, we'll make it 9 to 13, trying to buy against this value area low. And then 1 to 5 for buy 2. Be a lot of jockeying around to figure out what's going to happen crude oil price-wise, what's going to happen with Russia. The United States is pretty with a lead from behind policy, not doing anything without everybody else forming and joining a coalition, which takes time, and obviously China and Russia will not go with it. It means every dictator in the world is going to try to grab what they can grab in the next 2 years before the next administration comes in, which may or may not have more inclination to defend or protect or lead around the globe. Right now, the leadership vacuum is producing much more activity from the bad guys around the world. Okay, gold and crude are probably where we're going to see the action, and probably crude. Top of value, 1200, 1202. Well, basically 1200, 1205 is our sell zone, so 1200, 1202 sell 1, 5 to 7 sell 2. On the buy side, we'll leave it at 90, 92, and then 85, 87. Could have a pretty quiet day in gold. Okay, looking at the euro, like I said, the European markets are pretty well closed. Spain's market stays open until 2. So don't think we're going to get a lot of action on the euro today, but definitely like the sell side better than the buy side. We had an 80 to 90 sell leaving yesterday. The sell came at 75, so we'll make 65, 75 sell 1. $90 to the buck sell 2. On the buy side, we'll make 30 to 40 buy 1, and then 15 to 25 buy 2. Like I said, the markets are closed in Europe, and they probably don't really care what's going to happen stateside today. But the short side is the side to play from, in my opinion. Crude, maybe where we have the action today. Maybe the only place to get active given what's going on. But market is definitely pointed lower. We liked selling against 54 yesterday. That still looks reasonable, maybe against 50. So we'll play for 50, 75. $54, 54 and a quarter, sell 2. On the buy side, 52.50, 52.75. It's where support is. Buy 1. And 52, 52 and a quarter, buy 2. Market is pointed lower. It is a sell. Okay, the E-mini, my guess was that we would close the contract on new highs, not necessarily make a new high. That would be nice. And give the market what it wants. So I think we're going to have, we're looking at support at 70 to 75 once again. So maybe stops below overnight session low, so buy 1 will be 75, 77. Buy 2, 70 to 72. Like the long side better than the short side. Our first sell is going to be in the 82, 84 area. And then 87, 89 for sell 2. I mean, that's where resistance is, and we'll see what happens. I like the long side better. Because it's the end of the year, and those that manipulate the market want to see a higher close at the end of the year. Makes everybody happy. They did the right thing for 2014, and last year it paid to be in the stock market. Therefore, it'll pay to be in the stock market this year. It's the way it works, folks, and you can't fight the tape with the Fed. Okay, it'll take at least 20 minutes to get everything up and running. I'm going to get busy on that. See you as soon as I can.